Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another one of my vegan and vegetarian friendly dishes. It's called eggplant fry. I make this recipe at least once a week for dinner. Even if you're not a fan of eggplant, I bet you'll love this. Garlic, turmeric powder, chili powder, chana, mustard and cumin seeds, red chillis, coconut powder. Slice the eggplant as shown in the video, cut it into half and then cut it into 4 quarters. Soak the eggplants in your salty water. It takes away the bitterness. Let's get into it. Heat up the pan on medium to high heat. Add oil, 4 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot enough, add chana, mustard and cumin seeds. Give it a stir. Now add garlic crushed. Now add red chillis. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir it all well together. Now add the drained eggplants. Mix it all well together. Stir it until they are half fried. Now add salt according to your taste. Keep stirring until they change brown color. Now our eggplants are fried enough. Now I'm gonna add chili powder, add according to your spice level. Stir it well until this chili powder incorporated into eggplants. Chili powder is mixed enough. Now I'm gonna add the coconut powder. Stir it again. turn off the stove and it's ready to serve. It's quick and easy recipe. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.